I'm Jason, welcome to AI Content Agent. I'm going to walk you through a quick 7-minute demo where I'll show you exactly how it works and the differences between version 1 and version 2. Let's go. I'll take you through the back end of the AI Content Agent. Let's just trigger this so that we can get the workflow started, and then I can show you the final result by the end of this video at a scheduled time every morning. This is how it works for me. At 6 a.m. every morning, this is triggered, version 1. You can also trigger it manually the way I just did it. But what happens is it then goes and searches Google News for all relevant articles relating to any of the search terms that we have programmed into here. And that'll be different for every business and for every industry, depending on which content you want to create. Then it goes and loops over that Google News URL to make sure that is collected all of the relevant news, goes through a few different OpenAI nodes, and what it does is it generates original scripts. It's got a memory so that I've stored this in a Google Sheet. You can see all of the scripts that it's given me over the past few days. It's programmed into its memory here, what it's already given me. So when it gives me 2 stories for the day, which I'm asking it to give me 2, what it will do is it will make sure first that it hasn't already given me that story, and then it will give me 2 new stories. Now what it's doing is generating original scripts. Then it sends those scripts, it's already done it. It sends those 2 scripts along with 2 captions for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, wherever you want to post it. It sends those to Discord. So you'll get your scripts, your video scripts. You'll also get your captions, and then you'll get your overlay text if you want to put some text, some really engaging hooks over the top of your cover images when you post those videos. Then what it also does at the same time is it goes and prepares those rows and adds them to the Google Sheet. So now you can see what's just been added now is these 2 new stories. So Meta is allowing outside AI tools to connect to ad accounts, and Wellness Living has just launched an AI-powered marketing automation system. That's been programmed into the memory. This is all still version 1. Now let's see what's happened in Discord. This just happened at 9:56, a couple of minutes ago. Script 1 of 2, Meta opens ad accounts to third-party AI tools. This is because this is relevant to my industry. Whichever industry you're in, be it real estate, mortgage broking, any consultant business or online business, even marketing or advertising or AI or automations, we can tailor this to your business. If your content is relevant to your audience, it relies on you being across all of the recent news. So for instance, real estate, mortgage brokers, buyer's agents, you can make content on all of the economic changes, anything relating to the RBA changes, the cash rate, the inflation rate, housing prices, people struggling in the market. All of the recent news is applicable, but you've got to be across it first. And this is the way to make it so convenient for, like, your scripts are already done. Look, the full script, here's script 1 of 2. I've got the platforms I'm going to post it on, the hook, the full script. That's the script. Goes for about 30 to 40 seconds. That's all people can pay attention for these days, up to a minute or a minute and a half. If you're gonna speak for longer than that, you're gonna lose people. So we want lots of daily content around a minute or less. Here's the Instagram or YouTube or TikTok caption for that script, along with what I'm going to make as the text that goes on the cover image where people see it before they even watch the video. Then the source. And then we've got my second script. The entire script. Then we've got the Instagram caption. Then we've got the on-screen text where I'm going to put it over the cover image. Now let's look at version 2. I have created a Discord bot which lives on a live server that I'm paying for and that I host. This is running 24/7. Version 2 happens because it is triggered by you sending a message in your Discord channel that we have programmed the agent to run in. So now if you write, what are the 2 stories you gave me from today? That will trigger this workflow. Firstly, it asks, should we process the message? Is the content related? If it is not related content, if you ask it something like, how's the weather? It will go down this way and it will say unsupported request, and it will give you that unsupported request reply. If it's a request related to the content, then it will grab the rows out of your Google Sheet to understand your question and put it into context. Then it will find the matching script that you're talking about, and you can tell it to rewrite the script. You can ask it, what were the stories that we gave you today? See, it's given me the 2 stories. And now I can say, make script 1 longer. It will pull the script and rewrite the script using this OpenAI node. It will then format the reply and give it back to you in a couple of seconds, which it's already done. Look, that's script 1 now. See how it's longer? And I want, please give me script 2 with a more engaging hook. With version 1, you cannot send messages back to the AI content agent in Discord and receive a reply. Remember how we saw the scripts and the caption for Instagram and the overlay text for both of those videos? But then when I wrote it a message in the Discord chat and it started replying to me, that is version 2. You get an interactive experience where you actually get a live AI agent who will change things for you, give you stronger hooks, lengthen or shorten the scripts, tell you which stories you received today. Why did it give you these stories? So then you can see we've got a more engaging hook. Why did you give me this story? This is why. It was likely chosen because a clear, practical AI and marketing update with a strong angle. And that's it. That is how version 1 and version 2 work. So now you can see the difference and you can see what you get with version 2 and why it is so beneficial. That's the full demo of version 1 and version 2. Let's get on board with version 2 so that you can definitely have an interactive AI agent and get the full experience, and then have that memory layer here in Google Sheets. It all works really well together and can't wait to get you on board.